Alright guys, so today we are back in the garage and I have a new test pipe to install in the Genesis because the current one is resonated and I don't want it to be resonated. I'd rather have a straight pipe, and it's leaking pretty bad, and I've replaced gaskets and it's still leaking, so I just got a new test pipe. This one is from ISR Performance and I'm pretty excited to get this on the car, and I think it's gonna make it sound a lot better and it won't be leaking because the exhaust leak sounds horrible. All right, so I'm pulling the last bolt out of the current test pipe right now. And for those of you wondering, this is a I believe it's a CNT test pipe. The CNT test pipe and the Megan Racing test pipe look very similar, but the Megan Racing one has a logo on it, and this one doesn't, so I think it's CNT. The previous owner had this installed, so I don't really know what it is. He said it was ISR, but ISR doesn't make a resonated test pipe, so I don't think that's what this is. I'm pretty sure it's CNT. Just gotta get this bolt to come out, but God, it does not want to move. There we go. All right, and there she goes. Whew, that's a big boy. Yeah, if you look in this one, it's resonated for sure. We don't need none of that. We need this. Oh yeah, and you can actually see right here all this black where the exhaust, oh my God, where the exhaust was leaking. Oh my Lord. Yeah, that's a big exhaust leak. And then here's the actual test pipe, which I recommend if you buy one of these, take a rag and just clean up the flange because it has some residue on it. And you don't want that to cause a leak. That would suck. This is gonna be it's gonna be interesting, guys. Okay, I got it in there, but now I have to put the gasket, which is the hard part. Come on, baby. We got this. You know, I wish I had a lift. That'd make this a heck of a lot easier, but you know what? I think, yep, we've almost got this side on. Come on, we're almost there. Come on, right there. Okay, bolt number 1 is in. Now bolt number 2. I gotta do a little bit of adjusting. Just a little tad. And bolt number 2 is in. Yes! Wow, this is gonna be a pain to get in there. Holy God, that's an angle. That is an angle. Wow. Come on. I feel like I should maybe switch that around, like put the bolt in through the other side. Like a these. Yeah, we're gonna do that. This is quite the angle to be working at, fellas. This is something. And where'd my gasket go? Where is it? Where is my gasket? Yeah, this is great. I'm losing things. Oh, there it is. It's right next to me. I'm dumb. Boys, I think I got it. I got it. Heck yeah, dude. Let's go. Ow. Oh, that was my funny bone. And what I'm really hoping is that this is the only exhaust leak this car has, because if not, then I'm gonna have to order more gaskets and then unbolt something else. And I really hope there's not a leak at the downpipe, like where the downpipe meets the O2 housing. Dude, if there's a leak there, I'm going to cry. Ow, my life. Just like punched the concrete. That did not feel good. All right, yeah, that's on there. Next bolt, please. Last bolt, boys. Last bolts. I'm just gonna sit here for a minute. You know, just to kind of hang out, because freaking arm hurts, man. All right, so my camera just died, like right at the end there, but I got the test pipe on. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it very well. Yeah, you can. It's right there. It's all bolted in. I aligned everything right, hopefully, or I'm very hopeful. But dude, look at this old test pipe that was resonated. It is like, yeah, it's a fat boy. But like, wow, like look at that. That is a huge exhaust leak. But I'm gonna go ahead and lower the car down, then I'll give it a start up, and we can see how it sounds. Yeah, definitely a lot more rumbly. It's definitely made a difference. And I don't hear a leak. I don't hear a leak. That is awesome. It sounds a lot better than it did before without the resonating test pipe. So I'm really happy about that. But that's gonna do it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have an awesome rest of your day.